It is time. Time to clarify. Hey there guys, welcome to my bathroom. Today I will be demoing so well all the signs that my hair is due to be clarified and deep conditioned. Have you started doing the curly girl method? Have you started embracing your waves and curls? You've given up sulfate, silicones, and all the drying alcohols, and your hair was doing great. You've been using this set of products, your hair's been getting better and better, then all of a sudden your products start betraying you. Your wash days start going limp. You start having excessive amounts of frizz. Perhaps it's because you are due to clarify and deep condition. Have y'all had fun looking at this buildup frizz this whole time? This is classic Courtney buildup frizz. And it is all throughout my head, but it is definitely showing up the most at my crown. Now granted, this is day 3 hair, but let me see if I can demonstrate the feeling of my hair to you. When I run my fingers down my hair shaft, I can feel product buildup coming off of my fingers, and my hair feels rough when it used to feel smooth. I have hair in my eye. Now, if your hair always feels a bit rough to you, perhaps that doesn't mean that you're having a product buildup thing, but I can actually feel a difference from how my hair normally is versus right now. My hair is also, even in this pregnancy, I know my curls have been more stretched out in this pregnancy, but this is next level stretched out. My hair should not be this stretched out, this straight, even for day 3. Let me turn around and show you the back. I feel like you can even see the build-upiness in my hair. I know you can't reach through the screen and touch my hair, but if you could, I think the feeling would make sense. Another indicator to me personally that my hair is very due for a clarifying deep condition is that my hair starts being less shiny. It's more dull, limp, frizzy, all those things. And lastly, the last major indicator to me that my hair is desperate to be clarified and deep conditioned is that it feels heavy. As a general rule, my hair is kind of heavy to begin with, but it's next level heavy. So we're going to do something about this. We're going to clarify and deep condition. Also, I just remembered, one of my fixes for root frizz is a really good root fluff. But when I am having product buildup, when I am due to clarify and deep condition, even a good root fluff won't fully fix my issues. It's so sad. It's a bummer. And also, my scalp starts getting more temperamental the longer I go without clarifying and deep conditioning. Why? Because there's probably product buildup on my scalp. So what I'm gonna do to start off my clarifying and deep conditioning session is I'm actually going to go in with a scalp treatment. Like dissolves like. I am a very oily human. This is a scalp treatment from the Innate Life. It's for problematic scalps and it is full of oils. I will be applying this to my hair, and you could leave it on overnight if you wanted to. I find that this doesn't make my pillowcase greasy because of the way that I apply it. I'm gonna take some from the cap here, not a lot. You only get very small amounts and directly apply it to the scalp. You are not running this through the lengths of your hair. Anyway, like dissolves like. This is a great product. You could leave it on the night before, or at least a minimum of 30 minutes before you go in and you clarify. I have a side note about pre-poo that I didn't think to mention as I was putting the Innate Life in my hair. I mentioned that like dissolves like. It does. Oil will dissolve oil or help break it up and loosen it up. When I'm dealing with severe product buildup on my hair, on my scalp, using a pre-poo, pre-shampoo not conditioning, but treatment, a pre-shampoo treatment like this one, and or a regular standard hair oil. This just happens to be the one I have sitting on my counter, and applying it to the lengths of your hair can really help when you go to clarify and deep condition. I find on days that I use this, my roots actually get cleaner, but you saw I did not use a ton, not much at all. Also, if you have incredibly high porosity hair that is bleached, perhaps you are just starting this process and you know your hair is fairly damaged, using an oil on the lengths of your hair before you go in with your sulfate shampoo to clarify with can be really, really helpful. It keeps your hair from absorbing too much water, as well as kind of breaking off product buildup. Okay, let's continue. Now, I do have a whole video on my channel already talking all about the different products and techniques that I use to clarify and deep condition my hair with. So if you want to check that out, you absolutely can. And my last tip for clarifying and deep conditioning is that I will go product free today. It will tell me if I have properly clarified and deep conditioned my hair. Does my hair feel balanced? Does my hair feel product free, no longer buildup-y? How is my hair feeling? Sometimes if you go ahead and style on the day that you clarify and deep condition, you don't gather as much information about what the clarify and deep condition session did for your hair. But I will say that some of my most epic hair days have been on the days that I have clarified, deep conditioned, and then proceeded to apply stylers, plop, diffuse, go the whole 9 yards. There's something truly magical about a clarify and deep condition session day. Hopefully I haven't missed much. If I have, surely I'll remember and then come back and share those final thoughts with you to show you the difference between this hair versus clarified and deep conditioned hair. See you in a minute. Hi, I'm back. And today, instead of doing what I normally do, which is clarify, deep condition, rinse all the deep conditioner out, and then apply a little bit of leave-in, brush my hair out, and go product free, I added a couple steps. I did all of that, applied my leave-in conditioner, then I decided today I need my hair dry. Why? Because it's cold outside. So instead of blow drying my hair straight or doing a straighter hair routine, I decided to go product free and also dry my hair. So today I plopped my hair and diffused. There is no styler in my hair. There is nothing in my hair that's going to help it maintain its shape and or style. So I know that this won't last, but here is how my hair is looking after I have clarified and deep conditioned. And plopped and diffused because it's cold enough outside that I don't want to go outside with wet hair. All right, guys, that is it for this video. 5 signs you need to clarify your hair are that it is extra frizzy, it's limp, it's dull, your wash days aren't lasting, and your hair feels heavier than normal. My hair now feels lightweight and bouncy. I still have like some frizz, but you can absolutely see that it is very, very different than the frizz we had going on at the beginning of this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. It does help me out and it lets me know that you got something out of this video. Also, if you want to hang out some more with me, feel free to subscribe and click that notification bell. We will continue to have fun talking all things wavy curly hair here on this channel. Again, if you want a visual demonstration of exactly how I clarify and deep condition my hair, perhaps even some product recommendations, feel free to check out this video right here. The purpose of this video was to focus on the 5 signs it's time to clarify and deep condition your hair, not necessarily the how-to. We were just focusing on the 5 signs that it's time. It's time to clarify and deep condition. One more thing. I really like this wash day because it is the Curly Girl reset button. If perchance you use a product that contains some silicone or some seriously build-up-y ingredients in it, you can always reach for your shampoo that contains a gentle sulfate and deep condition your hair afterwards to get a clean slate all over again. If you've been just having weird wash days and you want to go back to ground zero, clarifying and deep conditioning is a great way to do that. I also use it to balance protein and moisture in my hair depending on what my hair needs. Will determine which deep conditioner I grab. If you want product recommendations of various clarifiers and deep conditioners that I personally love, feel free to check out all the links in the description down below. And without further ado, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!